biased in favor of capital. That with new forms of technology coming out are favoring capital over labor, and at the same time, capital substitutes more than one for labor. Okay? So now think about what this equation is going to have to say, right? Well, what's going to have to happen in the long run? What's going to have to happen? Well, in other words, I got to drive delta R down back to 0, and I got to increase delta W. Right? That's what happens. So go back to this equation. What happens is you have productivity growth. That would tend to raise the return of both factors. If it's biased toward capital, it's going to raise this one more than that. That's really all that's going on. Now, but in the long run, as long as we have elastic supply of capital, this has to come back down to 0, and this has to go up to basically delta PFP over SL. Right? That's what's going to have to happen. Now, but if sigma is bigger than 1, in order to cause that shift in factor prices, you're going to need more capital, right? Because the capital doesn't do as much to shift the returns between the factors. And if there was a bias in favor of capital to begin with, you got even further to go. So what's going to happen is you're going to get this big contrast between the short-run impact of an improvement in technology in the long run. That is, the impact, the difference between the short-run impact of this technological progress and the long-run impact of this kind of technological progress is going to be great. Because in the short run, it's going to tend to raise the return to both factors, and if it's biased in favor of capital, it's going to raise it more for capital than for labor. But in the long run, we're going to have to drive the return to capital back down. In order to do that, we got to increase capital even more than if it wasn't biased. And secondly, if sigma is bigger than 1, we got to increase capital even more. Right? And that's going to cause a lot of capital deepening. But if you have a lot of capital deepening and elasticity of substitution is bigger than 1, what's going to happen to shears?
They're going to be biased towards capital.
They're going to get even worse in favor of capital. So we had this technological bias that would raise capital share in the short run. The response of capital investments is going to raise capital share even more. But is that bad for workers? The answer is no, it's actually good for workers, right? Because that very process that's driving up capital share is the same process that's driving up delta W and down delta R, right? That is, so the same force that's causing capital share to go up even further in the long run is actually good for workers relative to capital, because it's shifting relative prices in that direction.